Hello traders and investors. This is a chart request for ICP Internet Computer. This is the weekly chart and we are on the log scale because this asset looks completely different when it's on log scale to regular scale. You see, on regular scale, it doesn't look much because it lost a lot of value since since the bull market. It was at around uh, almost $350. So I had to switch to the log scale, although I'm not a big fan of the log scale. On the log scale, it looks as if ICP formed a descending broadening wedge, which is a chart formation characteristic of corrections of bear markets. And once it broke above $6.10, it means that it broke above this formation. And once it got above $7.30, it also had a bullish change of character, which means that the bull market is pretty much confirmed for ICP. Now, if we look at the more recent price action, you can see that ICP formed a cup and handle formation. And the question is, how do we count this cup and handle? Because we can build this cup and handle formation from the wicks. And if we do it from the wicks, then we are looking at how much, let's say 38% from the breakdown. And according to this calculation, ICP can make it to as high as $15. This is one way to do it. Second way, it's actually my preferred interpretation, is to calculate the cup and handle, not from the wicks, but from the candle bodies. I think it's more correct. And the target, according to this calculation, is already achieved. Also, I pulled again angles from the bear market low, and you can see that according to this angle, the 2x1 angle, we are at resistance. We are also at the value area high on the volume profile. And if we look at the RSI is showing a bearish divergence. It's not yet confirmed because we need a down candle, a red candle to confirm this divergence. But overall, you can see that price is going up, but the momentum is going down. And all this leads me to believe that ICP had a good run until now, and it's time for a correction. Now, where can this correction go? We have a nice demand zone here. Let's see, with the distal line at 975, excuse me, the proximal line at 975 and the distal line at 9. This target also has confluence of a Gann angle, so it's a possible stop, 950, 970. It's a possible stop for price. And the second possible support is this change of character line, because it is very often that change of character lines act as support and resistance. I don't know exactly why it is, but it is what it is. So 730 is also possible support. Can ICP continue higher? Yes. What would I do if I was in a long on ICP? This is where I would take some profit and wait for the downtrend to be confirmed, because currently it's not confirmed. We have some top indications, but it doesn't mean that ICP cannot push a bit higher before going down. So I would at least leave some on the table in case it decides to push higher, one more push to the upside. Then it would be good to really take advantage of the whole move. That's all I have for you on ICP. I hope it helps, and I will see you in the next video.